Beef.
Well, this looks like it might work for us. Not a bad view of the Great Salt Lake and a little bit of Stansbury Island here. Well, that is not going to work. The trailer jack is all the way down at the bottom and it's still not level yet. Might have to go down here just a little bit. And just like that, we are leveled out. I had to take the front jack all the way down to its lowest position to be able to get level, but made it happen. Well, we're all set up here at Stansbury Island, dispersed camping area out here on some BLM land. It's definitely a little bit flat for what you would think out here at the island. There are some little bushes and whatnot. Definitely great for if you have solar panels. It will give you plenty of sun for all of that. The road coming in here was a little bit rough, but not as bad as some of the roads I've gone on. I'll put some GPS coordinates in the description below for where I'm at now, as well as the trailhead for some trails on AllTrails. And down on this side over here, there's actually quite a bit more of a shooting area where there's a lot more people doing some target practice. I do have full bars of Verizon LTE, probably because we're out here near some salt mine stuff. And what I'll do is I'm going to put up a speed test for just how much bandwidth I get out here. Good morning. We had some nice breakfast and then we're gonna get on to some more pew pew. If you are camping over in this particular area, right where we're at, where I'm gonna put the GPS coordinates, right over here is where the trailhead starts from AllTrails. So just be careful, be considerate of those people that may be on a hike. And over here is some machinery for a pit, and the main shooting area is on the other side of that.
A cow poop.
You're doing what?
Over cow poop.
Oh.
There's a lot of cow poops. Right here. Dad, you should do a little bus.
I am.
You're not holding it, man.
Well, as we wrap up our stay here, we've finished up our shooting and had a great time doing all sorts of target practice and getting the kids involved with safe shooting practicing. And as you can see, I've got the truck parked here in a slightly irregular manner, if you will, but there's a reason for it, and I'm going to show that to you guys in my next video. But for now, we've got one more thing to do. You remember what we always do before we leave a campsite?
Pick up the trash.
That's right, we make it look better than when we got here. So, let's get going. Everybody pick up at least 10 to 20 things. Thank you for joining us on this trip. We had a lot of fun out here. It is a great camping area and it's perfect for doing a camp and shoot just like we did. If you wanted to come out here, I say go for it. It's all BLM land and it's a great place to stay. We hope to catch you all on another adventure. We'll see ya.